cylinder in, so we're going to attach our next section of pipe. So you use your rod retrieval tool, pull it up, hit the vice grips, clamp it, you remove your rod retrieval tool. And pipe and rod comes in 8-foot sections, obviously not 8 feet, this is for demo. Then you line it up, thread the coupling nut on, tighten it, and this is a lock nut. You would take your wrenches, you would have an able-bodied assistant who would be helping you. You would tighten these down, get them good and tight so your rod stays together. Then you want to hold onto the pipe, to the rod so it doesn't fall. Release your vice grip, lower the rod until it hits the bottom. Then put your pipe in. The bell housing automatically aligns the pipe. And you hand tighten like that. Don't do anything more than hand tighten. And get ready for your next piece, you pick it up. As soon as you get past the bell, slide this over, that's your safety. You slide it down to the next bell, ready to go for your next set.